Pumunta kami ng Aldi. Pababa ako sa hagdanan, nag-aantay na si Frank dun sa pababa. Malapit lang dito guys yung Aldi sa amin. Bibili lang ako nito guys, oh. Bibilhin ko siya kasi ang mura niya. It's only 30 euros. Nakalimutan namin yung ano ni Francine sa pinapaupo na kasi namin siya sa stroller niya guys, pero nakalimutan namin yung hawakan tsaka dito sa taas. Nasa third floor kasi kami guys. Balikan natin yung mga bata andito lang kasi Easter holiday. Okay, I forget yung nakalimutan ko, nilaban ko kasi. And I still need to...
Buka na si Francine?
Yeah, she will sit down.
I would like to go there.
Buang na. Yeah, next time, you don't need to go down. Close the door. Hello! Where are you going? Nakaupo na. Doon kami nakatira. Doon ang aming bahay. Closing. Bye-bye. You like it, Francine? Ah, she likes to sit down now. Big girl na gyud. And you are big boy now? Andun lang sa kuan yung Aldi guys. Nalalakad lang. Ito lang yung bibilhin ko. Nagdala talaga ng newspaper ba para pa-proof that it's really 29.99. 30 euros. In IKEA, it costs almost 70 euros na? 60 euros. Oh, kaya bibilhin ko siya kasi mura eh. Mura na, tsaka kasay siya ng table ko. Yung kasing sa IKEA, mas mataas siya. Mas mataas. Sani na dito guys. Malamig lang konti. Kaya nagja-jacket ako. Pero sila hindi na nilalamig to sila. Ako nilalamig pa din. Maganda na ang weather. Maaga pa kasi. Morning pa. Monday dito. Maaga pa kaya medyo malamig pa. Kaya nag-jacket talaga ako kasi wala tong ano lang tong sinuot ko. Nipis. So yun na. Aldi. So, andito na tayo! Try ko mag-film sa Aldi guys, pero I think I cannot film there kay nahiya ako. I'm shy. And since Frank is not filming me either,
I can't film.
I need to do that in video guys, so he will say yeah. So, try nating mag-film, pero let's see kung walang music, kasi if may music na, natatakot ako makopyright. Look at that, my face is so... Sa setting siguro to. Para akong nilitsyon, eh. Ah, they're doing exercise, I think.
They're cutting the branches.
Ah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, they don't have it. Kailangan ko bumili ng food ni Francine guys. Pero wala sila yung pang morning. Meron sila pang nighttime only. So I need to get a new other brand. Okay. Can you try this? Can you reach it for me? Kaya Kailangan ko ng ganito, pero wala yung ganito na brand. Gusto ko to eh, kasi kinakain talaga ni Francine. Wala sila. So I will try this one na lang. Should we get this? It's not cakes, na? I need cakes.
No.
There's no cakes. But this is for good night.
That's for cakes, huh?
Yeah, but it's for good night. I have that already. Hanap tayo ng iba, guys. Ito, guys. Yung Alete.
Alita.
Yeah, Alete in German. Milchberg rice bright.
We used
Ito lang muna kukunin ko, guys. At you have it, kiwi and banana.
Get one of each.
Okay. But this is
Yum, I know. But,
more expensive too.
yeah.
So, Francine's snacks. I have this.
Shows you.
I have that at home pero hindi ko pa ginagamit. So, very cool. If you buy that, you'll be like that. Your face. I get a because what is that? The concealer to conceal the face. Oh yeah, I forget the what it is like. The number. But I don't have it here. Ito, kailangan ko. No, I can come back here because I forget the number. Kailangan ko to, guys. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko everyday. Not everyday. Kung lumalabas ako, hindi ako nagpa-foundation.
So what's cool?
This is nice. €6.95. But it's okay. But I like that. It's nice, na? These were cotton pads for cotton balls. Pero ito yung actually yung binili ko, guys. Instead of buying that, I buy this. Practical
Show
mo.
what you buy because you don't see.
It's Vernel.
Now we are in Aldi.
Aldi. Do we need something here?
Yeah.
What?
Let me think.
Coffee.
Yeah,
Did not
coffee.
say
But,
that
yeah,
we don't
but
have
not
coffee.
here.
Ah, look at that. That's the honey what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. That's
This-
ordinary honey. That's golden honey.
Or can we get this?
Yeah?
Or this one in here? What's the difference? 300 grams, 500 grams. Ah, I think this is better. It's better because the more people is taking this. You know best. We have those. We have
Yeah.
banana. Fancy. Pleasing. Pauwi na kami, guys. Hindi kami allowed mag-film sa Aldi. So, I need to cut the guys, yung pag-film namin ni Frank, nung pagkuha namin. Pero ayun na, shelf. Ayun na, ito yung gusto ko kunin. Ito lang talaga yung sinadya namin sa Aldi. So, pauwi na kami. So, siguro, ewan ko kung bawal talaga. I think all the stores here are doing that also.
Everywhere, you're
Yeah.
not allowed to film on the street.
Yeah, dahil daw sa guys, sa data. What is that here?
Data protection
Data protection. Blah, blah.
and the right of their own picture.
Yeah, the right daw kuno.
It's a
So-
civil right.
So, that's why, guys, na hindi ako nagva-vlog actually really in public, and unless if we are, for example, in a park with the kids, or we are
On
just
the street, they cannot say anything because
Yeah, it's public, right?
area. But the store, it's private, and they
then-
have to enforce that.
So, kailangan siguro if you need to film, you should always show your face. So, you know yourself that
Yeah,
you're...
but even in a store, it's private. You cannot. Do
Okay.
that.
So, yun, bawal mag-film sa store. So, I will see you guys at home. So, we see if we're...
Are you going to build that?
No, you're going to build that.
But not today.
Why?
Why?
Can we not... Look at that. Like, negotiation. You're doing negotiation. You're going to build it so I can see if it's good or not. Then we can return. Then that
We
time...
build it and return it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No, we
They
build
will-
it, and
they
if
won't
let's see
accept
if it's all good, then if not, we return it and we bring a big lens camera.
Film everybody.
Yeah, your big lens camera.
Then we say we won't come here again because there's no data protection. Like, we allow people to film.
So, pag bumalik kami ng Aldi, dadali namin yung pinakamalaking lens ni Frank, guys. Yun yung dadali namin doon. So, guys, nakawin kami sa bahay, guys. Guys, ang pangit na, hindi pangit. Bad ng ang bati ng quality ng ng Aldi na
Quality.
yeah, ang quality kaya para mura, kaya 30 euros lang siya, guys, kasi tignan niyo si Frank nag-nail si Vanessa doon, and see, it's not the same in IKEA, guys.
No,
na
it's
really nice ang quality, pero I think it will do. Hindi naman ako masyadong, look at that, you can even, the paint actually is not really white.
No.
You see that? Hindi siya masyadong white. Hindi ko siya bet. I don't like it. So guys, baka ako bakit nag-ano si Frank? Bakit nag-hammer? Yung pala hindi.
Schaut die wieder raus, genau.
Pero I think it was okay lang yan, oy. See, baby, you can see the paint.
I know. You see my fingerprints. That's why
Hindi
I
siya
have the paper
masyadong
down
puti.
below.
Hindi siya masyadong puti. It's not really white.
And it's not
Stable? It's not stable too?
very, but it doesn't. I wonder, like, the drawers will be like this.
Look at that. In the box. Sa box, guys, it really shows white. White talaga siya. Kaya pala mura. That's why it's cheap. It's 30 euros. Kaya siya mura. Sa IKEA, it's 60 euros.
Yeah.
And dyan, nabili lang namin yan ng 30 euros. Pero okay lang yan siguro yan. Uy, I really want pa naman na dapat white talaga siya. Kasi yung table ko, white na white yun eh. Can we repaint that? Can we use paint for that?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
And it will look good? Frank is not up for that. Okay, kailangan ko. I'm very disappointed.
Ja, ich musste zumachen hinten.
You didn't call me, na?
Oh, because I wanted to give it to you when it's finished.
Now I see what it looks like. So, I will cook for lunch.
Yeah.
Luto muna tayo ng lunch, guys. Uy. Andun si... Hello. Hello. She doesn't want... What? Yeah? What's that? What's that? Is that yours? Uy! Bell? Is the bell? Where's the teddy bear? Teddy bear, you are... Hindi ko pa naman siya agad, guys. Hindi kasi namin na-check yung sa loob. Uy. Pero okay lang yun, siguro. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng mga kuhan, guys, kasi yung table ko, ang daming mga ichi-ichi burrito. Kaya pala siya mura. So magluto na lang ko, guys. Uy. Magluluto na lang ako, guys. Bumili na lang kami ng sa Penny namin to binili. Yung chicken na may na siya, may marinated na siya, paprika. Ipa-fry ko lang to siya. Actually, it's for grilling, pero ipa-fry ko lang to siya para mas madali. Pa-fry ko, tapos mag-steam lang ako ng broccoli at saka rice. And maybe Frank and Vanessa will have pasta. Or I don't know. So, ito lang yung lulutuin ko. Steam ko ang broccoli. Fry ko to. Gagawa ako ng sauce. At saka kakainan na. So, balikan ko kayo maya, guys.
Yeah.
Ang ganda talaga ng weather. It's really sunny. Pero malamig pa din siya sa labas.
Can I
Malamig pa
put
siya.
Francine in that one?
I don't think she will stay there.
Or can she eat toast?
Yeah, she can eat toast.
Yeah, can you put her there? Because I'm scared.
Yeah, wait. Mami. Nangawin. Nangawin, dili ko pagutang toast. Eat toast. Francine. Eat toast, Francine. Francine will eat toast. Ada. Di magpabutang si Francine, uy. Luto tayo, luto. Magluto tagpaniod to. Guys, nag-start ko luto. Sus, mura na dyan ko Wonder Mom. Ano guys, tulo ka buo. Ay, upat. Nagluto ko chicken. Gaprito ko. Steam ko broccoli. Nagluto ko pasta. Nagluto ko rice. Wonder Mom. Medyo ko ano guys. Dali. Mura ko. Tapos bata bantayo nun. Pakaon akong strawberry na guys. Kay para magpuyo din toast. Para magpuyo. Kaya di na magpuyo. Dira sa iyang high chair. Hindi yan umiiyak yan pag walang ginagawa sa high chair niya, kaya either binibigyan ko ng laruan or inaano ko. Yeah, hello, say hi. Hi. Hi, bye-bye. 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 Close open din. Close open. Close. Very good kayo. Close open na niya. Nag-close open. Wala akong giluto guys. May dalawa pang wings dyan. Ano na yung chicken breast at saka yung leg niya. Doon yung broccoli. At ito, nag-iinit ako ng tubig para sa pasta. Yung rice ko, nandun na. Saka, close open! Come on, close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Okay. Nag-ano na yan. Nag-clap your hands. Oh, you want to be in a video? In a film? Okay, hi. Say hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye guys. Hi. So ay mag-concentrate ako luto diri guys kay basi maluto. Mapagod ni ako ang kuana ni. Itungtong muna ako sa butangan ako bugas. Concentrate ako luto kasi magko-concentrate ako baka maano ta guys mapagod. Ako sa iyak ni si Francine. Nilabas ko si Francine kasi iyak nang iyak guys. Na to. Grabe guys. Yung ano, yung pagprito ko, nipisik guys siya guys ba yung oil. Sakit. Nitapsing rin sa nose. May yung pagka-imping na ako eh. Takot ako dun na. Kasi guys, kaya ayaw ko talaga ng mga fried na ganito eh. Mas maganda siguro yung air fryer ba? Nakaka-amaze talaga yung buhay ko dito ba. Sa Pilipinas pa ako guys, hindi talaga ako marunong magluto. Nakaka-amaze yun. Pagdating ko dito, natuto talaga akong magluto. Tsaka mo lang talaga marirealize na swerte-swerte mo kapag malapit ka sa yung pamilya. Sa bahay, nagluluto talaga si mama, kundi yung kuya ko. Ngayon, ako na magluluto. Look at that guys, every day I cook here. And sa Pilipinas, tapulan yung ko magluto. Ayaw ko talaga, pinaka-hate ko talaga magluto. Hindi ako natuto doon. Dito ako natuto dahil may pamilya na ako. Takot ako sa bagbaliho na yan. Tatawagin ko si Pang kung paano ko. Nagluto ako ng pasta guys kasi pasta yung bet na nila. Kaya mas mabuti talaga na marunong ka magluto. Kasi pag di ka marunong magluto, pas mong bitok ni mo dire. Or if maka-adjust ka kaagad sa mga kinakain nila ng mga bread dito, salami or yung mga ready food, okay lang. Pero kasi ako guys, gusto ko talaga yung nagluluto talaga ako ng fresh para sa sa mga bata. At saka para na din sa, kasi iba talaga yung pagkain Pinoy eh. Minsan ano lang kami, nagma-microwave food lang kami, pero hindi talaga always, kasi hindi yun healthy eh. Hindi naman din ito kahiltihan yung siguro hindi yun kahiltihan din itong niluluto ko, pero yung broccoli, steamed, minimix ko talaga na may vegetable, kahit pagkatapos ito, daming hugasin kasi ang daming niluto ko. So, pero lunch is very important and breakfast. Sa dinner, okay lang kung sa dinner, hindi na ako masyadong nagluluto guys sa dinner. Sa lunch lang talaga. Nagsisi ako guys, bakit inano ko trinay. Grabe ang talsik ng oil niya. Wala kasi kami yung deep fryer. Sana binake ko na lang ito. Sisi talaga ako, bakit ko rinito ko eh. Hindi ako sure kung naluto talaga yung chicken sa loob. Sana naluto siya. Sana nga naluto, pero I think hindi. Takot akong i-open yung lid kasi matalsik yung oil. Dadagdagan ko sana ng oil. It's really messy. Nakalinis lang ni Frank kanina ng kusina. Ngayon, ano na naman. Guys, naluto na. Tanawa yung mong burner, guys. Gamit lahat ang apat. Naluto na din yung rice. So, chicken, andyan. Hindi ko pa siya binuksan, guys, kasi baka may talsik-talsik pa. Yung pasta ko, yung steamed broccoli, at yung sauce. Tinanggal ko sa burner yung sauce kasi baka magpagos. Ayun. Luto na yan siya. Luto na yan apat. So, kung rice ko, naluto na din. Ipaimabaw na ako ang box. So, kakain na kami. Kain na kami, guys. Pero I think si Frank hindi pa natapos sa yung binili ko ng cabinet. So, pupuntahan ko muna siya. Kumustahin ko yung cabinet ko na aywan ko. Hindi ko bet. Pero,
Only that far.
What?
Is that fine? It's not going to go out further.
why?
Because it's not made like that. It's going to stop here if I put that in there.
Hello guys, good evening. Gabi na dito. late na dito guys. Inaantay ko si Frank na matapos sa kanyang trabaho dun sa opisina niya. Nagnap kasi ako pagkatapos ng lunch guys. Tanawan, manambok itag samot ani. Hinantay ko na lang siya para mag-ano kami Easter holidays kasi guys walang pasok kaya hindi ko kailangan gumising ng maaga kaya magnunood kami ng TV. Naantay ko siya. Doon pa siya sa loob. Ako lang mag-isa. Natutulog na yung mga bata. Si Francine tulog na din. Relax na lang. Katapos ko lang din maghugas ng plato. Tapos, nag-ano ako guys. Nanonood ng vlog ng iba. So, I think that's all for today guys. I thank you all for watching guys, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye and have a good night everybody.